All right, guys, real quick, I'm going to add this onto another film. But we did some shopping. Just want you guys to see it. Got some onions, peppers, carrots, more peppers, celery. What's this, April? Oh, some cheese. Cheese. Got some lunch meat. Kilo of ground beef. He ground it up right in front of us. 10 eggs. The eggs were 30 cents a piece. He does have white eggs. He's charging 20 cents a piece. You know, I don't know if the feed's different in them or what. Also got some buns. Got some vodka because April's a lush. Just kidding. It's mine. Everybody knows it. Got some chicken. Got a whole chicken there. Meatballs. Butter. Bacon. Little spoons. Altogether, guys, roughly 47 bucks. The most expensive things is beef and the vodka. Probably be the most expensive stuff. But just wanted you guys to see what we did for shopping. All right? Talk to y'all later. All right, bye-bye. Family and friends, I'm back. I went for my morning walk. I was way back in the city, and I got lost going down a couple alleys. Got turned around, disorientated. So the best thing that I think the best thing to do is just ask somebody, where's the lake? And once you get to the lake, it's either left or right for me to get home. But you start recognizing things. I know I wanted to show you so many more things than just the lake, but it's so beautiful, isn't it? Look at the snow-capped mountains. You get to wake up to this every day. Man, what a blessing. In the spring and summer, this area right here would just be packed with kids playing. Swing sets, slides. Meanwhile, the parents are enjoying the beach. But look how beautiful. So we might as well take a walk on the beach since I got lost earlier. See a lot of people out making their walks. I always call this the boardwalk, and there's another one along the street. There's also an area in the middle here I've talked about. A lot of times you'll see the older guys out here, they'll set up a table and play dominoes. People come out with their picnic chairs, just sit in the shade by the lake. Oh, I love the snow. Look at that. Went out and got that printer. Tax season coming out. I shouldn't need that. I put down everything for paperless, but I haven't filled out taxes overseas since the 80s. I've talked about that before. So that'll be different. Right now we're just living off our 2 pensions, but very soon we're going to be doing our Social Security. I believe I talked about this. I got a video coming out where I got lost. I'm not sure I'm even going to post it, but you can put in for Social Security online or by phone call. So I'll make sure y'all know that. I actually made an appointment, was face-to-face with Social Security agents just to verify that before we came here. Volleyball net out there in the lake, a little chilly. I don't see anyone out here. A lot of the snow is melted, still a lot of it around, but you gotta be careful on some icy spots. It's like 11:30 now, 11:35. And as usual, April's been cooking a lot. But tonight, date night. Taking her out. Man, Toronto, every night was date night. Especially in the summer. The reason that stove would heat up your place in the summer was brutally hot in Toronto this year. It's brutally hot. So instead of making a mess and heating up the house, we would just go out to eat every night. And you can still find good plates, $8 a piece, $9 a piece, and eat well. Once you learn how to order, you know what I mean? On every menu, there's gonna be something expensive, some things that aren't. You'll figure out how to order. A lot more restaurants are using that tap and pay now too, which is cool. Wasn't that long ago where everything had to be cash. Not now. Obviously the street vendors and stuff, that's all cash. Nice crisp morning. It's a cool bar April and I were at the other day coming up. Little pub. I just seen nothing but locals in there, but it was cool. Now on the Macedonia side that we were at not too long ago, there were a lot more boats out in the water, more like tour boats and stuff. Not here on Pogradec side, but I'm sure they will in time. Like I said, I got lost, made it back to the beach, now I'm heading home. Big can of Coke right here. Spring and summer to be open. American flag. Hanging right here. See if I can get closer to it. I'm wearing my chest mount, so it's hard to point. I actually gotta bend my body for you guys to see stuff. It must look ridiculous. Who's over here? Beach bar. There's Old Glory right there. Very cool. Here's that cool bar April and I were at the other day. Very cool. I can smell people's fireplaces. I don't have one. I miss that. Miss having a fireplace. A little sign there: Tokyo, Paris, London. There's one of our favorite restaurants. It's right up here. The guy's really nice. Really nice. We found several restaurants here we really like. Affordable. Great atmosphere. Nice people. Like I said, April's been cooking a lot more. She enjoys cooking. But I think tonight, yeah, tonight's date night. We're going to take her out. Dun, dun. Everyone's out doing their morning walks. Now, I've taken you on this pier a couple times. They're building something there. That'll be cute. I wonder if that's going to be a bar or another coffee shop. The coffee shops here are everywhere. This summer, see a bunch of children just going out to the edge of that pier and jumping. It's fun. You ever get asked, do I miss Toronto? A lot of Toronto I miss. There's always something going on in Toronto, either at the Scandic Square or the Bazaar. And we're going to go back there a bunch of times to visit. I have a lot of friends there. But I like the downward chill of this town, of this city. A lot less hustle and bustle. I enjoy that. Plus, you know, you hit your 60s, you slow down a little bit. You want to have that quiet. All right. Kids must be in recess. Cruise up here. It's a nice restaurant. We've eaten there a couple times. Nice people. Let's see what time it is, guys. It is 1:46. This place, I don't know if you can see it. I see the sign says Grill Skodra. And we've eaten there, very nice guy. I keep forgetting to ask, is he from Skodra? Because that's a pretty decent drive from here. Yeah. Skodra, North Albania, where I'm really southeast right here. Just so you guys see where we're at here, there's a lake, there's a boardwalk. But like I said, this is like an outer boardwalk. In the summer at nighttime when we were here, they closed off traffic and it was just people walking to the street. So they didn't want you driving. That's during the tourist season. I swear that's the dog that we fell in love with when we were here in the summer. I think those are all paddle boats over there. Let's check out the paddle boats. I think. Then I'll let you guys go. I very much appreciate all the new subscribers, all the old subscribers. Thanks for doing these walks with me. Thanks for everything. I mean that. If you're new here, welcome. I thank you if you hit that subscribe button. I appreciate you. And come on back. Watch some videos. We'll both learn Pogradec together. Little pontoons. Yeah. Cool. I'll leave you with this shot of the mountains. Absolutely stunning. Remember, I love you guys. Thanks for coming. All right. Bye-bye.